Good morning, friends. Today's subject IMG 8591 Principles of Management, fourth year, 7th semester. A case study on grocery items, stocks, and order through mobile application for police per family members. So, next one. In my industry company name and address SN Technosoft Coimbatore, and thrust areas Big Data Analytics, and industry verticals is Smart City. Next one. My empathy part is difficult to maintain in manual and showcase in store because of each and every member come to my canteen and verify and based on number and select the item, so that as a manual I would prepare in manual time more times required, and purchase persons require more time, wasting of time at the canteen, so that I would develop my software. So first, this is my empathy part. Difficult maintain manual and showcase in store, so a lot of human resources and paper waste, so that more time is required to purchase a grocery item in my store or canteen. Okay, so that this is a problem occur here, so that I could, this is my empathy part. So I'm going to problem statement. So difficult in maintain manual and showcase for item in a store and paper waste, and due to human resources, uh, waste of human resources due to human resources required, so that my problem is defined. So the next one is a solution. So develop a mobile application for grocery items arrival order and updated the detail sent through the app in family members. Suppose I have developed on mobile application here. So whatever product I received and updated my mobile, that means mobile application, and suppose um, arrival arrival of my grocery items updated in my mobile. If completed, that means stock is over, so updated here, stock is over. For example, fortune oil or fortune rice brand oil or whatever may be. Suppose here and order prices here and save here. Means if suppose I have some coupon is available, I put a save my amount, and suppose or to my cart. So suppose I give a login ID. So I have a login ID. Uh, I, I have a login ID. So I would enter to that ID, and based on my personal police personal ID and verify it and enter into that one. After search the product and add my card. After finished and payment through my mobile application. This is my solution of the system. Next one. This is my methodology. First step, database collection of grocery items, and whatever product I receive in my store or police canteen or my police canteen, whatever receive as a grocery item, and first enter into the my system. After is convert to mobile application. After send through police personal family members. So verify after order through mobile application. So this is the first one. And step one, database collection with grocery items. Whatever I have grocery items and collection based on personal based on I create a ID number each and every grocery item, and based on I enter to the what is the product name, and what is the price, what are the quantities available, and expiry date, including I enter into the expiry date. So this is a include in your in my database collections. Next, I create two admin process, one from my police department admin side, another one that means canteen admin side, another one user login, that means police members have created based on particular ID, create one username and password and given to that person. So whenever they want to access grocery item through canteen, so enter the username, give the password, enter the username and give the password. After search the product and buy the product. This is a admin process and login process. The admin process, whatever received my quantity and enter the detail in the mobile application. After user once verified, order and pick the product and send to home. This is the process of create an admin and user login ID. Next one, to allocate user login for each family in particular police personal ID number. This is the most important because some of you misuse the product and product as well as ID number, so that whenever I would whoever join in police department and create the particular ID number and create the particular customer ID. So based on customer ID, okay. So the based whenever the police personal ID number access, and so this month quantities are over in blink your message through your mobile applications. So this is based on that one. Next, each family day to day refilling details are updated grocery item verify through mobile applications. So each and for example, monthly once purchase the product for police canteen. So monthly first day to at least 15 days or 10 days you take the process. When day to day the quantities are available, quantities are not available, and updated through our mobile application oriented. So this is whenever the police personals and send the particular mobile application and you give the username and password and search the product whether product is available or not. So that is available, you can order the product and pick them a payment and pick the product and send to your family members. This is based on that category. The family members must be order and payment through mobile application after completion of your process. Whenever you need, open the user ID through mobile application, and whether is quantity is available, order it, paid your product and pick the product and send to your family members. This is the methodology of my industry case study. This is a methodology as a database collections of grocery item. This is the first one thing. Second thing, and create two ID number, one from admin of police personnel, that means admin sector. Second one, create one police personnel particular based on your ID number. So if you whenever user, if you want based on your after created, and whenever you want you can create you can enter the mobile application through the app and enter the mobile application. After enter the process and verify your product and buy the product and send to your family members. So he is a user login for each family member in particular personal ID number based on your personal ID number. After refilling the details are updated grocery item, verify and through mobile applications, and order and payment through mobile application. If after first day the product is received 20,000 quantity, second day 50,000 quantity is available. If whenever you want whatever you want, you can based on user ID you can enter the application and verify the product, what are the requirements you have, and enter the search it the product and tick the product and payment through your mobile applications, and the payments are sent to your directly your bank copy sent to your admin sector. If your process is over and pack the product based on you pack the product based on your whatever you required. This is the process of your payment. Okay, next one. So benefit is reduce the time, AC monitoring and stocks, and updated the details sent through mobile application in police family members. If suppose the stock is over, so I'm waiting after whenever product received, whenever I could whenever product received from candidate, immediately updated through your mobile app. After I'm going to place and search, going to use application and search the product and enter the search the product and payment of process. So after finish, you can pick the product and reduce the human resource facilities. So if once I could define, so reduce my facilities, human resource facilities reduce, and reduce the paper waste. So once I show you detail, I would pay, you can take a slip and send to your personals. This is a reduce the paper waste. This is my references. This is a thank you.